From simple levers and animal haulage to early steam shovels, the birth of construction machinery rewrote how cities began. Across Europe, the Industrial Revolution spurred motorized cranes and steam hoists that accelerated docks, bridges, and mills. In Asia and the Americas, machines adapted to terrain and culture, turning deserts into road networks and rivers into ports. The Hoover Dam project of the 1930s showcased towering cranes and concrete pumps powering a hydroelectric landmark and thousands of jobs. Today, digital twins, autonomous machines, and global supply chains extend that legacy into smart skylines with enduring cultural meaning.